In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn on or turn off function keys on Windows 11 or Windows 10 keyboard. You need to look at your keyboard. So in here we have the function keys, and then we have the escape key. All we need to do is to hold down the function keys along with the escape key. This way we will be able to enable the function keys, and if you want to disable it, the same way we will press the FN along with the escape key together. So here I'm gonna do that, and as you can see in here, FN lock, that means the function keys has been enabled. So if I press it again, function keys has been disabled. Please let me know in the comment box how you got onto this. Were you able to solve this problem after watching this video or not? If you still have a problem, please let me know in the comment box and I will try to help you fix the issue. Also, while you are there, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.